Good afternoon. Employees with different areas of responsibility can use the functions of the access control system software. For example, security staff monitor cardholders' access to the facility, the administrator greets visitors and issues guest passes, and the accountant tracks employee work hours. Since these employees have different tasks, system administrators usually manage their access rights to work with the ACS software. For example, one operator may have access to all functions, while another can only see certain tabs. A third operator might only see guest cards and not be able to work with employee records. We have a separate video about assigning operator rights to employees in Sigur. When there are many operators in the system, it may become necessary to periodically track which actions each of them has performed, either for staff activity analysis or in case of disputes. Sigur has a special tool for this purpose, a report called the Operator Actions Log. It is available in the client program under the Reports tab. With this comprehensive report, you can gain detailed insights into each and every specific action an operator takes within the system. This includes changing existing access modes or creating entirely new ones, meticulously editing parameters in an employee's personal card, actively working with various visitor passes, generating detailed reports with specifically defined time periods, and a wide variety of other administrative actions. You can find the complete, exhaustive list of all events included in this report by referring to the official Sigur system user manual. It is available on our website. A variety of specific parameters can be easily configured for the operator activity log, the time period covered, the application of detailed filters for users, access points, and cardholders, as well as the option to enable the inclusion of several additional informational columns for review. The user to indicate the name of the person who performed the action, the specific IP address of the client workstation where the action was performed, the access point involved, the access object, and the full name of the cardholder, guest badge, or vehicle. By default, all filters are disabled, and the report will be generated for all operators, employees, and access points, with all additional columns selected except for the client workstation IP address. As an example, let's select the operators whose activity information needs to be reflected in the report. To do this, select the option Enabled, Show Only Selected, and click the Select button. In the window that opens, check several operators and confirm your selection by clicking OK. Similarly, if you need to display only events related to specific access points or employees, you can enable the filter for them. We will get a report on the actions of the operators we selected for the past week. To do this, specify the relevant dates and click the Get Report button. The system will generate an XLS file with information about the operator's actions. Now let's change the report parameters to find operators who, for example, edited the card of Ivanov Ivan. To do this, in the user filter, select Disabled, Show All, and in the Access Objects filter, use the Select button to find Ivanov Ivan and make sure that only he is in the selected cardholders field. Confirm your selection by clicking OK. Now click the Get Report button again. The system will generate a file with information about which operators edited the selected employee's parameters. So, we've covered how to track operator actions in Sigur. Thank you for your attention.